Hello good citizens, welcome to Master Asador Barbecue. Today we have a tacos al pastor. We're going to make a nice signature dish from Mexico, and it's pretty simple, just take a little process to do it, but it's really tasty and great, so that you can make it at home also. We're going to go proceed with the ingredients. Okay, so we have some pork shoulder, which we're going to cook right away now. Pineapple, salt, lemon, lime, orange juice, onion, half an onion I have in here, a couple of taco shells, paprika, pepper, and olive oil. Okay, the pork is almost done. It's tender already. It's been cooking for about half an hour with some onions and spices and orange juice, lemon juice, pineapple juice, and a little water. So once it reduces almost to no liquid, it's going to get a little crusty outside. So we will take it out and we're going to put together the tacos. Here's the taco, ready to be eaten. We're going to go a little on the wash. Excellent. The little lime juice, the fresh cilantro, the scallions give a little contrast to the sweetness of the pork because it's been cooked with pineapple juice and orange juice. And then the grilled pineapple with the brushed olive oil and spices. It makes it really savory. Not so sweet, perfect sweet and salt. Thank you very much for watching. In a couple of weeks we're going to put out a video. Please tell your friends to subscribe, and until the next time.